I've gone to this kebab shop for the past 3 days in a row. It has changed my life. I fucking had it for the first time when I was wasted drunk, and I was like, this is heavenly. This is the best food I've ever had in my entire life. It is so fucking good. And the next day I couldn't stop thinking about it, but I'm like, oh my God, like I need to see if it was actually that good or if I was just pissed drunk, you know? And so I was like, I need to test it out. I need to see if it really was that good. And I went back and it was even better sober. It was even better sober. It was unreal. I literally couldn't believe it. And so we're going back again for the third day in the row. It's so good. I'm so excited. Oh my God. Oh my God. Just get a chicken kebab on pita. Yes, thank you. Oh my fucking God. And I got a Summersby just because I'm just so happy to be here. Cheers. Oh my goodness. Oh fucking God.